Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain GitHub using VS Code. Visual Studio Code offers incredibly robust built-in Git integration, allowing you to manage your entire workflow seamlessly. You can effortlessly clone repositories, commit your changes, and push them to GitHub directly from the editor. The GitHub pull requests and issues extension further enhances collaboration, making it a powerful environment for developers. This integration streamlines your development process significantly. The source control view in VS Code is your central hub, providing a clear overview of your repository status. Staging and committing changes are intuitive, often requiring just a few clicks. Managing branches, including creating new ones and switching between them, is easily accessible. Furthermore, remote operations like fetching, pulling, and pushing are incredibly streamlined, ensuring your local and remote repositories stay perfectly synchronized with minimal effort. For enhanced team collaboration, the GitHub pull requests and issues extension is invaluable. It allows you to interact directly with pull requests and issues, reviewing code, adding comments, and even merging within VS Code. Additionally, GitHub Codespaces offer a cloud-based development environment, accessible right from your editor. Tools like LiveShare also enable real-time collaborative coding sessions, making pair programming and teamwork incredibly efficient and straightforward. To maximize your efficiency, regularly commit small, atomic changes with clear, descriptive messages. Always utilize feature branches to isolate new development, preventing conflicts and maintaining a clean main branch. Keep your local repository synchronized with the remote, often by pulling frequently. Finally, explore VS Code's extensive keyboard shortcuts for faster Git operations. Mastering these can save you significant time daily and boost your productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.